Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today I'm going to discuss all that is new and fun in the world of medical procedures. Let's kick it off with a trip to Happy Feet Podiatry. And don't worry, popping fans, we have plenty of pimple pops coming up. Healthy Feet is a podiatry group out of Tampa, Florida. Their best known YouTube face is Dr. Leo Kravitz. He's the president with partner Todd Brennan. All Star Doctors is also out of Tampa, Florida. Leave us a comment below should we work to partner with them to bring even more podiatry videos to YouTube. Next up, let's talk about Dr. Derm, David Myers. I'll put a link to his channel in the description below. Dr. Derm is still growing. He has 61,000 subscribers and over 17 million views. Along with the Utah Valley Dermatology out of Sarasota Springs, Utah, he does Botox, acne scar removal, microneedling, and they can even remove a double chin. Wow. This patient has dystrophic calcinosis. Dystrophic calcinosis cutis occurs in an area where there is damaged, inflamed, neoplastic, or necrotic skin. Tissue damage may be from mechanical, chemical, infections, or other factors. Normal serum calcium and phosphate levels exist. These growths limit the patient's mobility, and we hope that awareness helps improve funding for treatment. Click like to spread the word. This 60-year-old patient was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis 20 years ago. 10 days ago, a fever started and a rash set in. Any medical professionals want to recommend treatment? Now let me show you a few pimple pops as promised. Click like and subscribe for more videos. We have new content all the time. Also, click the notification bell for updates.